So guys, let me show you how to do this type of video, but first watch how the video looks. So let's go to CapCut. So first of all, you bring your video, you click on new project, then import your video. This is how my video looks. You can use anything or even your hand just to do it, or you can do something different. This is how my video looks. Then you trim your video, cut out the part that you don't need. And when you are recording this video, make sure you record an empty background of the same place, okay? Then you import your empty background as an overlay. Sorry, let me delete this. So I clicked on overlay, then import an empty background. Then you trim your background. You trim it so that it will be the same size, the same length with your video, alright? You use your hand and resize it so that it will fit into the screen. Then you bring your empty background down to the place that you want to lift your hand. Bring it down. You can see me adjusting my own. You adjust it so that it will start at the place that you want to lift your hand. Okay. Then you highlight the empty background. See how my own looks. You highlight the empty background. Then go and look for mask. You highlight it. Look for mask. So this is mask. You click on mask. Then click on horizontal. Then you use your hand and adjust the mask. Adjust it this way so that the arrow will be up. Then you bring it down to your leg. Down to your leg. You can use that arrow. Do you see that straight arrow? You can just play with it more, so that it will look a little bit faint. Alright. And make sure that it's in a straight line. Then you click on that keyframe, activate it. Then move your video. When you move your video, you then use your hand and move that mask up. Move your video. You use your hand and move the mask. Move it close to your hand. As you are moving your hand, you are moving the mask close to your hand. You can see that the keyframe is activating automatically. You don't have to be clicking it. Just click it once and keep moving your video. Then when you get to up, you move it up to the end of the video so that it will close your whole video, right? Then you click on good. Let's play the video and see how it looks. So this is what we have here. This is what we have, okay? Once you are done, you trim your video and remove the remaining empty background, alright? Then save your video.